Hello, in this video we will go over the question 12 of your final exam review. The question reads as, which of the following is the solution to the inequality? So to start solving, first of all we need to factor. Let's start factoring an x of these two because both of them has an x in common. So the x multiplying x squared minus 1. On this two, we can factor out 6. So it is 6 x squared minus 1. We can see that these two are the same, so we can rewrite them as only 1. And these two, we can group them together, x plus 6. So now the next step is we're going to set the inequality for each one of them. So x squared minus 1 is bigger than 0. X plus 6 bigger than 0. Now we solve for x on both of them. We add 1 on each side. Then we end up with x squared bigger than 1. Now we take the square root of both sides. And we will have x bigger plus minus 1. On the other one, we subtract 6 from both sides, and we have x bigger than negative 6. Now we need to look at the chart and see which one of the results holds the inequality. So negative 1 and 1. So first, to check if our results holds inequality, we need to plug in testing points on our inequality. So the testing point that we're going to do will be negative 7, negative 2, 0, and 2. Now let's plug back on our inequality, negative 7. Plugging back negative 7 on our inequality, we will see that the result will be 48 bigger than 0. That is not a right statement. That means that negative 7 is not one of our solutions. So let's test on another point, which is negative 2. Now with negative 2 plugging into our inequality, we can see that the result is 12 bigger than 0, which is right. That means that the interval of negative 6 to 1 is one of our solutions. Let's test 0 as x. So if we plug back 0 on our inequality, we can see that the result is negative 6 bigger than 0. That's a false statement. So that means that the interval negative 1 to 1 is not on our answer. Let's test our last point, x equals 2. So plugging back 2 on our inequality, we can see that the result is 24 bigger than 0. And that's a true statement, so that means that 1 to infinity is part of our answer. Our answer will be negative 6, negative 1, union 1 to infinity. So if we look back to our options, we can see that the right answer is letter A.